Hi guys, so I am back with another question of LeetCode. So today we are going to do question number 1 to 1, best time to buy and sell a stock. So basically, given an array of a stock price for each day, and we have to perform buy and sell of a stock to get the maximum profit. So here you can see the first price of one stock at first day is 7 and the another day is 1, after that 5, 3. So you can see that if I buy at 1 and sell at 6, then we will get the maximum profit, that is 5. So how can we achieve it? One solution you will immediately think is about the brute force, which is of n square. We can do it by just traversing two for loop again and again on this array, and we will compare one number to the next of it and we'll get the maximum difference. But in that case, time complexity will be O of n square. So today we're not going to do that solution, because if you write that solution on LeetCode, it will give you memory exceed error. So how can we do it using only one for loop? So let's discuss about that. One thing we can do is we can find the minimum price where we will buy the stock. That price we have to save, and if we have the minimum price, then we can think of the price where we can sell for maximum profit. So we will use that method only and we will find the minimum price and maximum profit. So let's code it and get to know how we can solve it. Here you will ask why I have assigned infinity to minimum price and 0 to maximum profit. So to ensure the very first price we look at efficiently becomes the minimum price. So if we traverse this array, the first number will be the minimum price of the array. So we have to think of a value which will always be greater than the first value of an array. It can be a lakh, it can be anything. So infinity will always be greater than any number, any given number. So that's why I have assigned infinity to minimum price. So we'll write for loop here to traverse from each elements of an array. So how we'll find minimum price? If the previous minimum price is greater than the current value, current element of an array, then we'll know that the current element is the minimum price. Then we will assign that condition only. If minimum price is obviously greater than prices of I, then we'll reassign minimum price to, and we will calculate profit for each of the traverser. Currently at 7 the profit will be like I buy at 7 and if I sell at 7, then because the minimum price is 7, the max profit I will get is 0. Then we will go to the next element of the array and we will check, is this element is the minimum price, and obviously it is, because the previous minimum price was 7 and current price, which is obviously less than the minimum price previously yesterday. So we will assign the minimum price to 1, and if I sell today, then I will get 0 profit. Then we will get to element with value 5, and here, as 5 is greater than 1, which is the minimum price, so will minimum price will remain the same, that is 1, and the max profit I will get is 4. So uh, we'll track the maximum profit at the same traversal of the array. So that will take just one loop to get maximum profit only and minimum price also. So for check will be the maximum profit, we'll add a condition. If max profit is greater than what is the current price minimum minus the minimum price. So we'll check what will be the price for which I will buy to get the maximum profit. Then we'll assign max profit this number only, and at last we'll simply return the max profit. Let's see if this solution works. Okay, so here the error is like max profit is smaller than the current profit. Current profit is like the current price and the minimum price. Then only we will assign the maximum profit. So that will solve this question. Yeah, thank you. Again, we will meet tomorrow with a new LeetCode question or any question from GFG. Thank you for watching.